Hi, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com, doing an update on the credit acceptance lawsuit. It looks like Massachusetts has gotten ahead of all of the other states. They went ahead and got everything settled, and they're helping their consumers in their area. We can see right here in the largest settlement of its kind, AG Healy secures 27 million for thousands of Massachusetts customers from subprime auto lender. And this is their media contact. But it says here, settlement resolves allegations that Credit Acceptance Corporation violated the Consumer Protection Act and debt collection laws. Company to also provide debt relief and credit repair. This is strange when a lot of attorneys generals don't like credit repair to certain eligible consumers. So here's a breakdown where they saw, I guess this is where most of the borrowers for are eligible. I'm not from this state, so people can tell me if these are lower income or I don't know. Uh, I don't know what's the reasoning on why it's not fully through here. Maybe these are not as populated as these other areas. But it says here 27 million in the settlement. And let's see here. But the big thing here is that for debt relief and credit repair, and this is similar to what happened with Santander, is that they're going to use the funds for debt relief. So it's people who had their vehicles taken, they're going to have to use part of that is going to just be to forgive the debt. And then for the credit repair, I believe that what they're really saying with that is that they're going to have to remove the negative information off of the individual's credit report because I mean that would basically repair what they're responsible for. They're not going to repair their credit fully. They might have other things on there that's not related to credit acceptance. But I believe that this is a good move for them because what happened is that it's going to get them to go ahead and start settling with the other states that have the same issue. And from what I had saw from my investigation on it is that they have credit acceptance uh, has more issues with it. It was more than just the 38 states. I believe that they had more than almost all 50 states were looking at suing them. So they probably said, hey, it's time to just go ahead and start knocking these out one by one. But before I end the video, I wanted to show you something that I thought was kind of crazy and the reasons why they just go ahead and settle these. So where did I see it? Not seeing it on here, but basically for this state, for just Massachusetts, they were showing how much revenue they had generated. It was over $489 million, but they're settling for $27 million. I thought that that was kind of strange if a company did 489 million that you would only see fit to do a settlement for $27 million. I thought that that was kind of strange when they said that it was a lot of fraud that was done by this company with the way that they were pursuing people with debt collection and the way that they had even originated the loans from the get-go. But I guess it's good news. You should contact their media contact numbers right here, 617-727-2543. I'm pretty sure that they're going to set up a settlement administrator page. And wait, I'm going to check that real quick. All right, so it looks like they didn't put together a settlement administrator yet, so they haven't done that. Also, there's going to be 3,000 borrowers that will qualify, so you'll be getting something in the mail. Usually when they do this, they'll put together a settlement administrator that will notify people that they are that they qualify for relief under this lawsuit. And they went into some other things here about people who had lost their vehicles, fell deeper into debt. Basically, it's really just the same situation that happened with Santander, but just with a different company. So hopefully this is some good news for you if you live in Massachusetts, and watch out for either a postcard or letter in the mail saying that you do qualify. All right, I'm going to end the video here. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com and watch the video, What Makes Us Different. If you can follow my 8-point validation process and my two-phase settlement process, we invite you to become a customer. If you need your credit reports and scores, please go to the website yourthenumber3scores.com. And if you need my debt validation letter or cease and desist collection activities letter or the statute of limitations letter, those letters are below here for free. Thank you for your time.